What's up, GT gang? Welcome back to the channel, and today is a very special exclusive video that I'm very excited to share with you guys today. So I finally got a sponsorship that is relative to my YouTube channel and not directly my TikTok, so this is very exciting. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm super excited to show you guys exactly what we got going on, and it's going into the Magnum. Let's get it. Alright guys, so here's what we got. Let's go ahead and unbox it and just go from there. Hey guys, I'm Mojo, and today we have another sponsorship. We're going to go ahead and get right into it and open that box. We shooting TikToks, boys! Okay everybody, got the trusty old keys here. Check this out, by the way. Shout out to Uncle Art. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got. Boom. Let's see what we got here. We have the ATOTO in-dash car entertainment S8 Premium. So from my understanding, they have like 5 different models, and the Ultra is the highest tier and the Premium is right under that. So we'll get into some features that it has and open it up, I guess. I know pretty much nothing about these, so to open it up and see it in hand, I watched a couple YouTube videos on this. But I'm super excited to tear into it and see what we have here, because this is apparently a very reputable company. And after doing some research, I'm kind of blown away about them reaching out to me, to be honest. So yeah, so shout out to ATOTO for sending me this. I'm very excited. And we'll go ahead and open up this box and see what the contents of this box actually are. All right, everybody, so we're going to go ahead and open this bad boy up here, see what we got. Right off the bat, I can say that this packaging is very impressive. We have a few different booklets. Panel operation, cable connection, and installation. It looks like there's a few different languages too, so we can get into that later. We have an ATOTO warranty instruction and getting support online booklet. We have a 10.1-inch display. That's pretty impressive. That's massive. This is assembly and installation advice for ATOTO integrated and adaptive head units. So I'll definitely be looking into that. And we also have the list of different tiers that they have. So we have the S8 Standard Gen 2, S8 Premium, which is what we have, S8 Pro, S8 Ultra, S8 Ultra Plus. So it looks like there's 3 tiers above this one, which is, I'm not complaining by any means. S8 Universal Fit, S8 Vehicle Specific Fit, Android in-car entertainment. So we'll go ahead and see what we got here. We have a screen protector, which I can always respect. More protective packaging. Oh my goodness gracious. This thing is massive. Okay, just for reference, this is my iPhone 10 Plus. iPhone 11, I don't even know, but it's huge. This is a 10.1-inch screen here, guys. This thing is massive. So as you can see, it's kind of recessed back here, so it can fit in a doubled-in setting. So if you're wondering how that works, that's actually how it operates, and it protrudes out of your infotainment, your radio bezel, through here. So obviously we have the radio with this protective packaging. Is very impressive. Definitely not worried about that thing getting hurt, so I'm just going to throw this in here. Okay, now we have a box here we'll open up. So I don't know exactly what these are, so I need to go through the booklet and tell you exactly what these are. Okay, so upon further research, we have a GPS antenna. This comes standard with this package, by the way. I didn't get anything extra. This is what comes with this radio if you were to purchase it. A Wi-Fi antenna. Your standard wiring harness, and every single one of these wires are labeled. Steering wheel key, etc., amplifier on, etc., right? So it's all labeled. That's really nice. We have a microphone. That's awesome. We'd love to have a microphone. And then here we have a USB DVR cable. It looks like we have, it plugs into the back of the radio, and you have two plugins for USB. Other than that, we just have some brackets, and I'm assuming some hardware in there as well. Yeah, we have some hardware, basic screws. So I'm really excited about this, guys. Super stoked. I'm gonna go ahead, box all this stuff up, and unfortunately they don't sell the exact wiring harnesses that you need for your car, so they recommended that I buy this. This is a wiring harness specific to my Charger / Magnum, etc. This is for my Magnum I'm going to be wiring it into. And there's another harness that I'm waiting on as well. So as soon as that comes in from the mail, I'll be able to install this entire kit and show you guys exactly how to do it. Alright guys, shout out to Will and CJ and Reggie. Those were a few guys that run the live stream. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Definitely a huge shout out to ATOTO. I can't thank you enough for sending me this radio, letting me install it. Thank you for your patience, by the way, ATOTO, for waiting for me to finish my Magnum in order to actually install this radio. But it went pretty good. The install went good. I do plan on, sorry guys, I'm kind of getting over COVID here. But I already installed the radio. Check out my TikTok if you want to watch that, or my Instagram. I have them both on there. But I do plan on uploading a install video on my YouTube channel that goes way more in depth, to where if you wanted to install this exact thing, you'll be able to. I don't really cover it as much as I really like to, but you guys know how it goes. I explain everything as best as I possibly can, as I'm still learning how to do it. So it is what it is. Thank you guys so much for watching the video, and shout out to ATOTO one more time. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much, and hopefully you guys check out the link down below to actually purchase the radio, as well as there is a discount code that gets you 6% off if you try to buy this exact same radio. I would definitely recommend doing it. It helps me, it helps you guys, and it definitely helps ATOTO. So stay tuned for the next video. See you guys next time. Peace.